Maintaining the hydrostatic transaxle of a lawn tractor is essential for long-term performance. Welcome to WholeToolBox. To begin this service, gather 3 quarts of 2050 motor oil and a compatible replacement filter. The first and most critical step is ensuring you can remove the sight plug located on the side of the unit. Use a 1/4-inch Allen wrench for this task. This plug is often very tight and might require heat or impact to loosen. It is vital not to strip this plug, as it is the only way to verify the correct oil level once the job is finished. Be cautious of sharp metal edges on the machine frame during this process to avoid injury. Next, use a 3/8-inch socket to remove the bolts holding the filter guard. Remove the old filter to drain the oil. While the oil drains, remove the breather hose and fitting from the top of the transaxle using an 11/16-inch wrench. Lubricate the gasket on the new filter with fresh oil and install it securely. To refill the system, insert a small hose into the breather port on top and connect it to a funnel. Pour the oil slowly until it reaches the bottom of the sight plug hole. After reinstalling the plug, you must purge air from the system. With the machine in neutral, depress the forward and reverse pedals 4 to 5 times. Repeat this process while the machine is in drive. Finally, recheck the oil level at the sight plug and add more if necessary before replacing the guard. For trusted lawn tractor replacement parts and maintenance essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.